Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to get overdraft on Revolut. Let's begin. First of all, open the Revolut app on your mobile phone and make sure you are logged in. Note that currently, there is no direct overdraft option on Revolut. However, you can get a loan through Revolut, which will work like an overdraft. To do this, open your Revolut app and tap on the Add Money option. This will open a new screen. If you are eligible for a loan, you will see an option called Get Credit or Get a Loan. Tap on this option. Next, you will be shown a loan calculator screen. Here, select the loan amount you want and the loan duration. The app will automatically display the monthly repayment date, the annual interest rate, and the annual percentage rate. It will also show the total repayable amount. After entering your loan details, tap on Continue to Application. Your loan application will be submitted for approval. Once approved, you will receive the loan amount, which you can use as an overdraft. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.